of the 9 to 5 and ready to design your way to extra income? Let's unlock the secret of using Canva to create stunning templates that clients will happily pay for. First, open the Canva app on your phone. See that search bar at the top. Tap it and type an Instagram post. Browse through the pre-designed templates to get an idea of what's popular, but remember, we're going to create something unique. Let's click on Create Blank. Now the fun begins. Use Canva's vast library of elements, graphics, and fonts to create visually appealing templates. For example, tap the plus button at the bottom. Now type in our search bar coffee. Add a cool coffee illustration. You can also add a stylish font for a catchy slogan. Play around with different colors and layouts until you find something you love, and remember, make the design on brand so it can be sold on social media later. Once you're happy with your design, tap the share icon in the top right corner, then select template link to create a shareable link. If you wish to sell the template for money, upload it on marketplaces like Etsy or Creative Market to start earning those extra dollars. And that is all there is to it. Use Canva now to boost your income today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more online earning tips.